Hello. So this is a picture that's been presented to our Facebook group. They want the picture restored. They wanted to have the picture in black and white. This is a picture of somebody called David. The person found it in an old photo album, and they wanted to present it to David for his birthday as a memory. The picture's 50 plus years ago. David's 61 now, so quite a long time ago. Let's see if we can have a go at restoring this. There we go. Nice restored photo of David. Happy birthday.